problem we maybe didn't realise we had is just how little we knew, how blindly we were making some of the financial decisions.
My name's Dean. I work in digital marketing and content creation.
When we partnered with My Business Keeper, the only problem we were trying to solve was to get our accounting and bookkeeping done. Little did we know everything that we didn't know, and My Business Keeper has just been so much more valuable to us than just accountants and bookkeepers. They've changed the entire way we've done business. We're so much more confident in our financial decisions now. Like, they've got us back on track in areas where we never knew we were off track. Like, we knew we felt a little over our heads. We just thought, that's normal business owner stuff, right? You're not supposed to know everything. We're not accountants. But we were wrong. We could very much be all over every aspect of our financials, like we just had to be shown. First thing we noticed is just how personal and attentive the service was. Like, Pauline dived right in and wanted to know everything about our business, our goals, what we were doing, and not just that, she wanted to help us clarify things we maybe hadn't given enough thought to in some areas. Like, this wasn't just outsourcing our bookkeeping and accounting to someone. This was like having a bookkeeper, an accountant, and a business coach on staff. The most unexpected benefit I've seen from partnering with My Business Keeper is just peace, a confidence about the company's financials. Like, if you'd have told me before that I'd understand all this stuff and I wouldn't be intimidated by those massive spreadsheets, and I'd feel confident and use them to make decisions, I would have been like, nah, you're talking about some other guy. All the pieces are there now. When there's a decision to be made, we can look at all the pieces clearly and make the decision confidently. We're not just, doing the best with the little information we could work out, and hoping for the best. We feel like we own the business now. We're not just flying by the seat of our pants. Understanding the financials is just is a game changer. Other bookkeepers and accountants we've worked with just aren't even on the same level as My Business Keeper, not even close. Not to mention the accounting errors that My Business Keeper picked up that had been made in the past. That was just the start of it. It's a whole different type of service. It's definitely one I think businesses need, especially small businesses who obviously can't have an accountant or bookkeeper on staff. This isn't just a service where you give them your numbers, they do whatever they do with ASIC, you sign something and send it off and you get it back. They're going to dive into your numbers, how you do business, advise you, much more like a business coach would, but even more attentive than that, even because they know the ins and outs of the numbers of your business. So My Business Keeper doesn't even compare to other bookkeepers and accountants. They're not even on the same category, I don't think. I would absolutely recommend My Business Keeper to other businesses. They're going to help you understand your business better than you ever thought possible, and you're going to be so much more confident in your business's financials and the running of it as a whole. More confident than you ever thought you would be. What's there to think about? Strap in. You're about to have your business confidence taken to the next level.